Morning, everybody. It's David the Gamer, Season 4, and welcome back to my brand new video. I'm gonna show you in Legendary Pets what's in my bag. Episode 1. Let's get something to do. Let's get on. First, we need to buy a mouse. But it's on the first one. You need 5 seconds to contain the mouse. Like a timer. So you need get 5 minutes to get a mouse drop. Timer will be on now. You have 2 seconds. Time's up! You did it. Now you need to get 20 minutes to get that eagle. This eagle might be the second one. It's Talcon. Talcon's coming. Let's get this rule. Need more seconds. Get more stuff for you. And now you get almost done. You have 10 seconds remaining. 10 seconds remaining. You did it. Now you can get your Dallyble word. I'm gonna get my Dallyble word first. It looks you need to look for purple. You're supposed to get purple. You need 40 minutes. You get 40 seconds until the time runs up, and that time runs out. Now you need a blue slime. Get 1 minute to get your blue slime. You need 1 minute. When legendary drop, the timer will run out, and your time runs out. You did it. Great job, video. Good job, viewers. Now you need a wizard where the castle belongs, where dragon belongs to castle. Get 2 minutes. You need 2 minutes you need 1 minute and 50 seconds to get this drop. When the legendary drop, time's up. The timer will go out when the legendary drop. Time's up. The legendary drop. Now you need 2 minutes and 30 seconds to get that Hydra drop. And Curse Elemental made a Hydra by herself, and they don't have a devil ears. That might be epic. Now you have a Hydra for an epic. Another epic one. The time is starting. Timer's running out. Come on. You doing it. Find an answer. Find a different answer. Get your answer complete. Find your answer. There you go. Find the next answer. You did it. You're wrong. You correct. You did it. Find the next answer. What do you want to buy? Good job. Which egg do you want to get more? Dotly Kitty, correct. Which one's the next egg? You did it. The correct answer is Cursed Elemental. Which one's correct? Oh yes, correct. If Cursed Hydra comes out, freeze. Do not write an answer. Correct. Find the next. What's the egg? Find your next answer. The correct answer will be the cursed bat. Find your answer. Correct. Dog and the cat is the correct answer. Find the next answer. Correct. Get your next one. Which one you rather? Legendary or common? Correct. Common is one to vote. Find the next answer. Uncommon, rare or epic? Correct. Uncommon. Which one you need? Hydra, Sunblade, Summer, or Fall? Correct. Great job for finding the answer. Next egg is coming up. Which one you need? Time. Find your answers. Correct. Find your next answer. What do you want? You want timing, summoning, or I don't know. Okay. I don't think. Let me check. Correct. Hiking is one vote. You found it. So which one do you need if you pick Tibu, it's common, uncommon. If you say Tino, it's unquiet rare. If you don't know, it's epic or legendary. It's showtime. It's fun. Correct. The low votes has one in the vote. Next up is an answer. Okay, the lowest one. Now you need 5 eggs in a row. You got Curse Elemental. What's this? You get another Curse Elemental. You can collect all the epics. Level up. That's not gonna be corrected. You can earn more epics whenever you want. You did it. Freeze! Don't move a muscle! Don't move a muscle! Don't move a muscle! Don't move a muscle! Legendary! Time's up! Shatternet! Now you need Shatter Hydra to win. You need 4 minutes to earn this. If the legendary drop, game over. Okay, my percent is dying. Hatch it up, hatch it up, hatch it up. You can do it for some viewers. I like this. Do whatever you want. You can try it. Don't get that Hydra before I say free. If you pull the Hydra, don't move a muscle. Freeze! Don't move a muscle. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Thank you. If you guys enjoy the video, make sure you leave a comment and meet me in the like. Subscribe to the channel, or if you like it, do it into reviews. And see you in the What's in My Heat Bag.